Student, in this video I will discuss few questions which have appeared in EAMCET. So adenine have two hydrogen bonds with thymine. So adenine forms two hydrogen bond with thymine, whereas guanine forms triple bond or three hydrogen bond with cytosine. This question was asked in EAMCET 2016 as well 2012. So keep this in mind, student. Adenine forms double bond with thymine, guanine forms triple bond with cytosine. That means the guanine cytosine linkage is more stable than the adenine thymine linkage. Next question was asked based on permanent hardness and temporary hardness. So you have to prepare this topic for your upcoming 2021 EAMCET also. So permanent hardness of water is removed by Kalgan method, ion exchange method, synthetic resin method. This was asked in EAMCET 2014. So the question was, which is not a method of permanent hardness of removal of hardness of water? So the answer was Clark method. So temporary hardness is removed by Clark process by adding lime. Temporary hardness is removed by Clark process by adding lime. Hydrogen and deuterium, H2 and D2 have same bond length. H2 and D2 have same bond length. Next question was asked how cyclohexylamine and aniline can be distinguished. So they can be distinguished by Ajo dye test. Next is that hormones that maintains the blood glucose level. As you know, insulin is a hormone which maintains the blood glucose level. And the site of action of insulin is plasma membrane. Do keep it in mind. So two questions have been asked from biomolecules. Next is the ATGC ratio. It's a common question for EAMCET. They are asking this ATGC ratio. The ATGC ratio is 1.52 for humans and the ATGC ratio is 0.93 for bacteria. That means the bacterial genome has more GC content as compared to the humans or Homo sapiens. Amino acid containing indole part is tryptophan. The three-letter nucleotides or triplets of nucleotide bases are called codons. A particular codon is for particular amino acid. There are initiation codon which start the protein synthesis, and there are three stop codons also which stop protein synthesis, like UAA, UGA, UAG. These are the stop codons. So codons code for a particular amino acid. So the three-letter sequence of nucleotides are called codons. There are 64 codons which code for 20 amino acids. There are initiation codons as well as stop codons or termination codons. Reducing sugars. The sugars which are able to reduce failing solution, Benedict solution and Tollens reagents are called reducing sugars. Glucose, fructose, lactose, maltose, all are reducing sugar. But one of the important example of non-reducing sugar is sucrose. Cyclopentadienyl anion is aromatic. This was asked in EAMCET 2016. When nitriles are treated with tin chloride HCl and hydrolyzed, then it forms aldehyde. This was asked in EAMCET 2014 and the name reaction is Stephen reaction. So conversion of nitrile into aldehyde. Phosgene is formed slowly from air and sunlight, by exposure of air and sunlight, and it forms chloroform. So phosgene is a deadly poisonous gas. With the formula carbonyl chloride, COCl2. It was asked in EAMCET 2010. Now when chloromethane is treated with KCN, A is formed. A on hydrolysis give B. B is treated with ethyl alcohol in presence of acid to give C. Identify A, B, C. This was a question of EAMCET 2008. So Cl will be replaced by Cn, so it will form nitrile. B will be hydrolysis of nitrile give carboxylic acid, so acetic acid, and C will be ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate. Ester will be formed. So this was asked in EAMCET 2008. So this was few of the videos. This was the few of the questions which I have discussed, student. In my upcoming video, I will discuss more questions like this. I am keeping the video short because I have noticed that most of you are not able to watch the 30-40 minute video. So do keep watching this. This will be really useful. You will get to get a feel from where the questions are being asked. So all the best for your upcoming exam, student. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.